Nature is a powerful force. It can feed and nourish us, but we have somehow stopped listening to our bodies, becoming disconnected from a natural and wholesome diet. We need to put back the good into our nutrition. That's why Juice Plus created the Omega Blend to contribute to your daily nutrition, a rich and unique blend that combines the best omega sources nature has to offer. Like microalgae, the original source of marine omega-3. As one of the Earth's oldest plant organisms, it is the base of the aquatic food chain, and the reason why fish oil is rich in omega-3. Invisible to the naked eye, microalgae is powerful and filled with omega-3 fatty acids to maintain your normal function of the heart, brain, and vision. To avoid a disruption of the marine ecosystem, overfishing, and to fulfill the increasing demand for omega-3 fatty acids, our microalgae is cultivated on land in clean water. Good for the ocean, good for you. Juice Plus Omega Blend, the good choice.